Yes, this is a demo video for sheet notifications. In this video, I'm going to go over the permissions that the add-on is requesting and justification for these scopes that the add-on is trying to get approval for. So the script.external request, script.container.ui, and the script.scriptup scopes. So I'm going to go straight ahead and open the add-on. Then just to highlight the client ID, this is a client ID from this point to this point. That's the value of the client ID. So that's what that's a client we'll be focusing on in this demo video. I'll go ahead and accept. So this hasn't been verified yet, so I'll click here to just keep this verification thing and then click on continue. So these are the permissions we are requesting for. The first one is to see, edit, create, and delete only the specific files we create. So the add-on just works on the specific files a user has granted them and does not interact with any files owned by the user apart from the ones that the add-on creates or the ones that the user has granted explicitly. And then also the permission we're requesting for is to view and manage spreadsheets that this application has been installed in. So this allows the add-on to track edits made to the spreadsheet. So for example, if a spreadsheet is used by multiple users, this permission will allow us to keep track regardless of who or of which user is editing. Then connect to an external service. This permission is required so that we can actually now notify users of edits that are made to them. So the add-on sends notifications via email, via webhooks, via Slack, via Teams. So we need to be able to connect to external services to achieve that functionality. And then this add-on is to run in the background so that any changes that are made to the spreadsheet, even when the user is not present, are still sent as notifications to the user. And then lastly, we require permission to display and run third-party web content in Google Sheets, and this is required so that we can show the user a way to interact with sheet notifications. So this allows the user to create rules that allow the user to configure how they'll be notified. So I'll go ahead and allow this, and that should open the sheet notifications dialog. So this dialog requires this specific scope permission. So just to display that interface to users, then I'll go ahead and create a rule. So here I'm going to set up a rule that says that if the cell value A1 is equals to 50, I want this email address to get notified. Then I'll go ahead and save this. So now that we have this, when I go to the spreadsheet itself and change the value to 50, an email should be sent out to the email address I had set there, showing that the value has been set to 50. So we require this script.external request permission so that we can actually send the emails to users and any other form of notification, whether it's Slack or Teams or webhooks. So that's why we require that permission. Then the other permission that we require is this script.container.ui. So that is based on the dialog that is shown. And lastly, this script.scriptup permission is required because when sheet notification is set up, we create an installable trigger on the spreadsheet such that any user who edits the sheet will still get a notification sent. So for example, the owner of this sheet is this email address, but they might want to have like maybe colleagues who get to edit this sheet and they still want to be informed. So if I switch to, for example, a different user, this is a different user entirely. So this user can still make an edit here and the owner of this spreadsheet should still get notified. So that is why we require this specific permission, because it allows us to install the add-on on the specific spreadsheet such that any edits that are made to the add-on will actually get sent as an email to the owner of the spreadsheet. So you can see we've received another email because that user, who is different from the owner of the spreadsheet, has edited the sheet. And that's it. Thank you.